wanna talk to you. I just know I found myself getting lost with you. Lately you just made me work too hard for you. Got me on flight of seas.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do today this nice look, very elegant, feminine, and of course, as I am 46, as you know, I really emphasize the importance of the skin to look dewy, fresh, youthful, and when you have a great canvas, the sky is the limit. So let's begin, and I hope you have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, the sweet little bell icon, so you will see all my next videos. Let's dive in. Today I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which I love. I know there was a controversy about this palette, but I really like this palette. And I'm going to use these colors. We're going to start with Unity, this color, as a transition color on the crease. Taking some more for the other eye. It's a kind of nice sand, yellow sand, a bit mustard color. Now I'm going to take Eden. This is a color that I really love. And with the same brush, the crease brush from Real Technique, I'm going to take Eden and place it just under Unity. Very gently. Just take the brush from the tip and just gently pat it on. Now I'm going to take another brush by Osmosis. It looks like this, and it will be perfect for the outer corner of your eyes to do this C shape. And I'm going to take Parallel, which is this gorgeous brown, just a bit, and place it in the outer corner. And just do this C shape. And in a circular motion, just blur it. All the harsh edges. I'm gonna take Sigma tapered blending brush and just blend even more. And after we feel like we blended enough the transitions colors. We're going to go back with the same brush, the blending brush, and take a little bit from Unity and just go over it very gently, just a little bit, and go over it. Beautiful. Gorgeous, yes. Nice. Now I'm going to take Jade flat brush, and I'm going to take Unity and put it all over my lid. And I'm trying to do the transitions as smooth as I can by just patting on the eyeshadows and trying to mix them very gently together. Now I'm going to take a Jade crease brush, a smaller one, and I'm going to take Lucid, you see this one? And just put it in the middle of my eyelid. Just very gently to create a more shimmered effect, just to give a little bit of life to the look. What to do? I'm a sucker of shimmers, I'm a sucker of glitters. I just, even when I go and do a matte look, I just can't handle myself, and I just have to put some shimmer in the middle to just brighten my face. Does it happen to you as well? I don't know. This is my thing. Anyways, we're going to move to the eyeliner and mascara and finish the look. I'm going to take my Bourjois Ultra Black liner with the felt tip applicator. And moving on to mascara, my beloved mascara, Lash Princess by Essence, that cost just $3. And I always recommend this mascara, low cost and great results. This is it for the eyes. I'm going to put some highlighter. My beloved palette from Jade, the Everglow highlighter palette. And with my Sigma tapered highlighter brush, I'm going to take the pink one, which is my favorite. I love the pinky undertone. I think it really flatters my skin. Though the other ones are beautiful as well. Pinky one is my favorite. And I'm going to end this look with the lighter shades for my lips. I'm going to take it down one tone with Kiko Everlasting Color number 417. It's this one. And over it, I'm going to put Kiko 01 Instant Color Matte Liquid Lip Color. And I think this shade will complement the shades on my lids and will tone it down a little bit to a more mauvey brown color instead of pink. So girls, this is the finished look. It's a very elegant look. The skin is dewy, as I love, you know. And the eyes, beautiful, gorgeous, I love it. I hope you liked and enjoyed and learn something from this clip. And please subscribe to my channel, be part of my family, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Never told you you'd have it.
I just don't understand it.